Good morning, this is Ian Cartwright. I'm Education Manager for Common, and I'm here to demonstrate the features and functionality of the Common Insight Virtual Conference, which premieres on May 5 to 7, 2020, with replays available all the way through the first week of July. Here I am on the main site of the Insight Conference, and I can see buttons here for Home, Session List, Speakers, Expo, Ask the Experts, and Registration. If I want to see all the sessions available to me, I just click on the session list. And here we have the full 150 sessions that are available to the conference. This schedule I can slice and dice any way I want. If I want to filter by type, I can look at all the application development sessions, for instance. Or if I'm more interested in security, I can do that as well. Finally, if I'm interested in a particular speaker, I can click on the Speaker tab and see all the sessions, for instance, that Dana Buller has. Going back to the session list, it's important to realize that even though sessions are scheduled into days and slots, that's the time that the session premieres, and you'll have access to the replay all the way through the first week of July. Okay, so how do I grab a session? I see a JavaScript 101 session that I want, so I'm clicking on that, and I can read the handout, and I can see all of the extra details about the session. And to view the handout and discussion and the video, I click on this button here. Now I'm asked to sign into the conference, and this checks against conditions of registration. So I'm going to sign in here, and that will take me directly to the page where the video, the handout, and discussion for the session takes place. So here we see a session replay. I can play this. I can maximize the video to my full screen, and I can download the handout. I can also chat with the speaker of the session and anybody else who has viewed it by hitting reply. An interesting feature of the discussion boards attached to sessions are that I have the ability to tag the speaker or anybody else that I would like to. So if I'd like to get the speaker Robert Swanson's attention, I just do an @ and then the speaker's name. And then I send. Speakers will be taking place in the discussion during and after the event as well. Going back to the conference, I can see that in addition to all the sessions, I also have a virtual expo. If I hit Expo and then look at exhibitors, that'll give me the list of all exhibitors. Now, if I want to see what ARCAD has to offer, I just click on the ARCAD logo. And then again, this is essentially a virtual booth for our ARCAD. I have a description about what ARCAD does. I have a video that ARCAD has put up here, as well as downloadable vendor materials and discussion. Discussion with the vendors happens the same way as discussion with speakers do. I just click on the chat with ARCAD. I hit reply, and I can type whatever message I want and then send. Okay, finally, in addition to viewing all the sessions and chatting with speakers about the sessions and chatting with vendors in the expo about their solutions, I also have this module called Ask the Experts. Essentially what Ask the Experts is, it's an additional way to chat with solutions providers, chat with speakers, and essentially it's not tied to a session. So I can have a general discussion with people here about working from home, anything else that I like to do. So I can post a new message and ask, for instance, about an RPG issue that I'm having. Same tagging applies. If I want to tag a particular person, I do the @ symbol and then hit enter. Anytime I tag a person, they will get a personal email saying that there has been discussion that's mentioned them in the discussion boards. So again, this is the Common Insight Conference and premieres from May 5 to 7. But again, when you purchase, you'll have access to this full system through the first week of July, and you'll be able to view the full 150 sessions at your leisure. Thank you.